Now we come to the time when you should make the decision. Take a date, a time and a place. Have a meeting there. If it's only you, it's only you, but otherwise you have some other people there also. Discuss it. If you are alone, discuss it with yourself. Think through it properly. What's going to happen? Will I do this? Do I want to do this? And you have to decide that, yes, I'm going to be successful. If you see that possibility is there, or you say, no, this is not going to function, so I stop here or change something or do something. And then you make the decision. And when you have made the decision, you document it. Write like a protocol, few lines, what you decided and why and how. And when you have done that, that is also to keep with the project report and the preparation for it for the future use. And finally, celebrate it. You have made a decision. Fantastic. Celebrate it.